Oh. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy on ABJ23. I already know who it be, man. And as y'all can see, appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Alright, be careful, bro. Alright, y'all, we getting the top put on. We getting the top put on, y'all. We're gonna be out here in just a second. Y'all just stay tuned, bro. This is crazy, dog. This is crazy, though. Can't lie. It's real deal snowing. I can't believe it. Okay. Can't believe it, bro. Alright, y'all, we got the tire on, man. Bro, I can't believe it's snowing, dog. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Not gonna count to y'all. Like, it's crazy, dog. Gotta be careful in this, though. Gots to be careful. Hey, though, I'm finna head home, eat something real quick, grab some food, and I should be back out. You know, give y'all a little action, man. Give y'all a little pit action. Spin a little bit, you know. Yeah, but I'll catch up with y'all when I get back. Alright, y'all, we on the way to the pit, man. It's a couple guys out there. I'm like 20 minutes away though. I don't know how long they're gonna be out there still. Cause my tire took like, what, a couple hours. My lug nut broke off, man. It was too tight. The torque that was used from whoever put that tire on did it too tight. And they had to break it off. And yeah, man. It took about 3-4 hours, not gonna lie. I was sitting up there. Finally get on the road and it's snow and everything. So we're gonna see how long we're gonna be at this pit. Doing a couple of, you feel me? You know what we do now. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera on when I get there. This mind blowing, bro. Probably never snow again. All right, a little update while we're headed to the pit. I'm not gonna be able to get the content I wanted to get for y'all. It's my bad, man. Well, it ain't my bad. It's the tire fault. But yeah, I think everybody left the pit now. So I'm finna just go up there. All right, y'all, we finally made it, bro. Hold on. Bro, it's beautiful out here, dog. Not gonna lie. This is beautiful, bro. Fix my ski real quick, fix my shiesty. But yeah, this is beautiful, dog. I cannot lie. Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, I gotta get this off. It's all black right here.
I ain't none of JC, don't hit me. Why you got close on me? That boy whipping that bitch. That boy whipping that bitch. Like the actual motor. Everything went up and up. Stop trying to hit me. Oh, man,
We had some little technical difficulties, bro, but it's all good though. Probably ain't gonna be able to get that content for y'all, man, but it's all good. It's gonna have to be, you know. But yeah, look at that, bro. All right. Oh, can't get no traction. That's crazy. Oh. Bro, on God, my shit stuck in my yard, bitch. On God, fool. What are they doing?
Nothing.
For real?
Your back tire just spinning.
What they doing?
It's just spinning.
Hold on, y'all. Alright. Oh, look, it might go.
Let me see. Do it again. No.
Well, hold on. What about now?
No.
It moved, though.
It's just going back and forth, but it's too much snow.
Oh,
Way too much snow.
for real?
Hey, you gotta buy new gloves?
Yeah. That's crazy. Oh my God. You need to be in the house though, eh? You know that?
Huh?
You need to be in the house.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, get in.
I'm not getting in.
Get in and ride with me. Ride with
We
me.
ain't going nowhere.
Oh man, that's
Park
crazy. Yeah, I just want to settle down, y'all. Came to the conclusion she ain't going nowhere. Not going nowhere. Yeah, I'm finna now. Who's that? Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate it. Huh?
Lock the door.
Yeah.
You called your mom?
Huh? No, I ain't called.
Do it again. Do it again.
What's good, YouTube? Today is the next day, bro. It's the next day. Still snow. car still stuck. Hold on, let me show y'all this lake though. The lake is even frozen. About the crib. Hold on, let me show y'all. All right, here we go. Look at this. Oh, well, look how deep this is, dog. That's crazy. This is crazy right here, dog. Look, the lake is frozen. Where the ducks at? Where the ducks at? You know that? But yeah, the ducks was walking on top of it. I hear him. Yeah, look at the house though. Like Santa just came and slid down all shit. All right, y'all, we got this rake. Still stuck. I mean, the grass is melting. It's melting. I mean, I don't like I can get out of there though, honestly.
Let's try like move some of this.
Go to back tire. Let me see. It's so dirty under there. Alright. Man, I gotta jump my shit off, cuz. Can't lie. Fuck. Y'all. Car won't start. The Scat won't start, bro. It won't start. Gotta jump it off, you know. So we finna see what it do. I'm finna connect them, let them ride for a little while, and see if this bit'll start, dog. Cause this don't make no sense. I'm kind of mad now. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all for the update. All right, y'all. The Scat is out the snow. I appreciate all of my neighbors, man, that helped. Appreciate all y'all. If y'all looking at this video, I appreciate y'all now. Thank y'all. Yeah, our neighbor, he had a couple of his boys, actually about 4 or 5 of them, come out and push my car, you know. We had he brought some plywood and everything to stick on the back tires. And yeah, they put the manpower to work and she got right on up, man. So, appreciate everybody. But now I'm trying to see why this car throwing up cold. Is the engine check light is on, and I have no idea why. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, but anyway, the check engine light on. Mind y'all, it have been in the snow all night, overnight. Stuck, snow's all in the bottom, stuck, turned to black ice. Everything was just packed and stuck, you know, so. I don't know, I gotta get that checked out, see what's going on with that. But yeah, man, that'll be the end of this video. I appreciate all my supporters and subscribers. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We on the road to 10K. We're already at 5K, so I'm gonna double that at 10. But yeah, man, appreciate everybody for rocking with me. And I'll be back with another video.